Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Whenever I see word instant, it instantly grabs my attention. Any quick and instant recipe which cut down on cooking time without sacrificing taste is a blessing. You can spend more time at the dinner table with your family and you can enjoy this easy and instant Kalakand recipe for your Eid or many more occasions to come. So let's go and make it happen. To start making our kalakand, first we need to make our paneer, and I'm making homemade paneer. I'm using whole fat milk here. Then I'll be adding some lemon juice or lime juice, and you can add while you're boiling your milk. We don't need any soft paneer for this recipe, so just add in your lemon juice. You can add vinegar as well, and just keep stirring until milk started to curdle and the whey separates from the water, as you can see here. Then I took a strainer and I covered the strainer with a cheesecloth or a muslin cloth. Then I transferred this hot mixture over it so all the excess water drains out. Then lift up the hanging part of your cheesecloth and then just wash it under a running cold water. We are doing this process to take away that acidic taste from a lemon juice or vinegar. Now take a heavy bottom non-stick pan and transfer your paneer, and then just crumble your paneer with the help of spatula or a spoon. If you don't have a non-stick pan, you can use a regular pan, but then add a teaspoon to tablespoon ghee or butter in there. And then just cook for like I say 5-6 minutes until extra water dries out, and then add a can of condensed milk and then start mixing until paneer and condensed milk are combined together, and then keep on stirring and cook on a medium to high flame until they turn into a nice thick mixture. When you run the spatula or spoon, it started holding its shape, which means the kalakand is ready. And then I added some cardamom powder or elaichi powder, and then just stir to combine and switch off the flame. And then I transfer this mixture into a greased pan. Just spread it evenly, and then you can garnish it with some sliced almonds and pistachios. I use both. Usually kalakand served with only pistachios. When it cools down completely, you can cut them into slices and then transfer it onto a serving platter. A delicious and juicy kalakand prepared with paneer or cottage cheese. Authentic kalakand takes a long time to prepare, but this is an instant and easy version for you guys. This is traditionally made on festivals, and I am taking this opportunity to make this on Eid for you guys. So Eid Mubarak for morEwish and family. Please remember me and my family in your prayers, and once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.